Hi, this is Phil Shapiro. I have been reading a hilarious book, Thing Explainer by Randall Munroe. And it is complicated stuff in simple words. Um, this is a hilarious book. Um, Randall Munroe is a little bit famous for on the internet. He's famous for his popular webcomic XKCD. He has the New York Times bestseller book What If? The Science and Question Answer blog. He's a former NASA roboticist who left the agency in 2006 to draw comics on the internet full time, supporting himself through the sale of XKCD t shirts, prints, posters, and books. Um, I laughed on almost every page that I looked at in this book, and it's interesting because um, he's using words in such an interesting way. I work at a library, so he's intentionally using simplified words to give equivalence or to explain stuff. And so even when he's explaining um, the title of the book, he has an explanation here. It says "my name" over here. It's just hilarious. So that if people don't know that he's the author of the book, it explains it. It says "my name." These are some of the things he has in the book. So he has explaining about microwave ovens, which he calls food heating radio boxes. The one I thought that was totally hilarious was sky boats with turning wings, which are helicopters. And I love the way that he does all different kinds of stuff, including some geology stuff and biology, the bags of stuff inside of you, the human organs. So all these things have diagrams and explanations in very simple words. Here's just a sample page from the book. He calls it lifting room, which is an elevator. and he says, today's cities wouldn't make sense without lifting rooms. If we had tall buildings without them, everyone would want to stay on their own floor because going up or down would take a lot more work than going the same distance to the side. Anyway, the book covers a bunch of other stuff besides what is just shown, what I've shown already. And this book is ideal for a makerspace. Leave it on the table in the makerspace. It will start conversations guaranteed. And somebody's going to giggle reading this. Before I made this book review, I happened to be on Twitter and I saw this very interesting tweet. It said, unusual ideas make the brain happy. So if that's true, this book is a bag of happiness. It's got a glare on it because we just got it at the library and covered it up with plastic. But I love this book. It's also pretty affordable for an oversized book. It's $25 in the United States and higher in Canada. Of course it's higher in Canada. Canada is north of the United States, so of course it's going to be higher. Anyway, bye.